This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine your AI network suddenly losing half its hardware overnight. The US just slapped a 100% tariff on all imported drones and key aircraft parts, instantly doubling the price of a $1,200 quadcopter to $2,400. First, manufacturers are forced to absorb massive cost shocks, pushing many to delay upgrades or scramble for domestic supply, which can take years to materialize. Second, operators will see a spike in inventory purchases now, followed by a sharp contraction once those stocks run dry, throttling the flow of aerial data that fuels edge AI models. Third, the scarcity of cheap drones accelerates a shift toward truly decentralized inference, networks that can run on whatever edge devices remain, without relying on a single, expensive hardware pipeline. The bottom line: higher tariffs make resilient, distributed AI more critical than ever. Stay ahead. Follow ChainMind for the future of decentralized AI.